Alright, we're going to be testing out our Magnetron here. This is the Magnetron from our first video. You can see I've used it a little bit since. I incorporated a little PVC shroud. It's just like an end cap for a PVC pipe. Put a little shroud that keeps the plasma from jumping around the target and going up and hitting the terminal, the electrical terminal. So we'll go. This is our Magnetron sputter target, and we're going to be putting in the vacuum chamber here. And now that we've improved our vacuum system, we can get down to lower pressures. We can do some real sputtering of metal, and you'll see that sputter flame demonstrated here in a minute. Alright, we're pumped down. We're about 250 microns. We're going to apply power. There's even a green hue from that copper metal. And I've optimized my process a little more. I moved the Magnetron closer to the top of the chamber, and I have an acrylic tube that supports my glass sample, which I'm depositing metal on. You can see we're going to get better results when I power up this plasma flame here. Also important, I wasn't able to see a thick layer of sputtered metal until I get down into pressures that are about 200 to 300 microns. Alright, I'll set it up and we'll do some more sputtering. Here's the Magnetron sputtering on the glass. An overview. Zooming in, looking at that layer of metal being deposited. You can see it's almost, there's so much copper being deposited, it's almost opaque. Alright, this is the piece of glass I just took out of the chamber. You can see it has some copper and deposited on it. Looks like there's probably some other copper compounds. Also some copper oxides and other materials that had adhered to the glass. We can see now, if you look at our ohm meter, that our glass is now conductive. It looks like we have 100 to 200 ohms between those points. 160, 2K. Of course, the glass is not conductive outside of the areas that we sputtered. So that's the start of our home semiconductor fabrication, and we're sputtering metals onto glass, and we'll see where we go from here.